to be honest, I haven't really prepared for college at all. I don't really know what to do. Have you?
I mean, I'm just gonna go to Monaco, but if we need to talk to someone, we can go to the Future Plan Center.
Is that the one with Mr. Brett?
Yeah, it's actually, it should be right here. Uh,
Hey guys,
Huh? What?
didn't you see the Future Plan Center moved?
Where?
Well, come on, I'll show you. And here we are. Welcome to the new and improved Future Plan Center. Whether you have questions, want some advice, or even just want to come in and chat, this is the place to do it. And that's the brand new Future Plan Center. It's right across from F124 and F125. So if you have any questions or anything you want to talk about, anything from course selection to universities, even to the military or construction, this is where to ask about it.